In this video, I will show you how to download and install MySQL and Workbench on your Windows PC or laptop. We need to go to Google and search for MySQL. First link should be official MySQL website. Click on it. Now in navigation bar, click on Downloads. Then scroll down to the bottom of the bottom page and click on MySQL Community Download. We are selecting Community version because it's free and it's enough for most individuals. Now click on MySQL installation for Windows. Check if versions and operation system is correct and click on Download button. In this page you can create account or just simply click No thanks, just start my download. If Chrome block download, just click on Download pop-up and select Download Unverified File. Then wait a bit. When download is finished, locate File and double-click it. Installation process is completed with many options. You can select Download Only Server, but I will select Full to download all others tools like Workbench. Then click Next and execute. After first installation and next step, leave everything as it is and press Next. Next again. Now create password and add user. All next steps will be shown on the screen. As we see in Windows menu, we have installed all the MySQL looks. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, give it thumbs up and consider helping me reach 1,000 subscribers so I can make more tutorials. Thanks for watching.